Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you about my team. I am Natasha Aprilia as moderator and my friend Irfando as member. Okay, now we want to explain you about my discuss for the next session will to take by Irfando. To Irfando, time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much to give me chance read topic about meeting 1 and 2. In this topic, I will to describe about introduce. At meeting 1 and 2, we can learn 1. Use a phrase to introduce yourself and other. 2. Introduce yourself and other. 3. Understand the component of nouns, pronouns, and language to adjective. 4. Understand the language component to be present. I am, is, are. And 5. 6. Describe a person personality using nouns, pronouns, adjective, and present properly and acceptable. 7. Describe someone's personality. In introduction. In language, the meaning of the introduction is introduction or introduction. Include a noun, while the verb or verb is introduced, which mean introducing yourself. The meaning of the introduction is an introduction or introduction. Beside that, the meaning of the other introduction is that it can be a forward, preface, forward, and other. Introduction in the usually done for those who are new figure in an environment, such as a school, environment, or workplace. In the introduction or self-introduction, there are points that we can put in there. This point need to be known so that when we doing an introduction, we already know how the flow should be spoken or notified. And here are some points when you don't the introduction. 1. This name. 2. Origin or country. 3. Address. 5. Age. 4. Age. 5. Family. 6. Birthday. 7. Social media. 8. Jobs. 9. Hobbies. And 10. Education. Example of introduction for new student. In this topic, I have example for introduction. And here the text. My name is Natasha Aprilia. I am a new student at this school. I was born in Sawalunto, April 9, 2000. My hobbies are writing and reading. If there is a competition, I would love to take part as long as it relates to the work of authorship. It was my first step to achieve my goal of become a famous writer. Yep, that's all that I can tell about myself. Thank you. The next topic in the meeting 3 and 4. in this topic about introduction, simple present tense. At the meeting 3 and 4, we can learn 1. Understand the component of the simple present tense or verbal sentence. 2. Use verb 1 and verb 1 or S or S in explaining a person's daily activities. 3. Use verb 1 in describing daily activities. 4. Write down personal or other people routine using the verbal sentence structure of the simple present tense. 5. Tell personal or other people routines using the verbal sentence structure of the simple present tense. The simple present tense. What is present tense? So simple means there was an incident. So I have present, it means now. In essence, the simple present tense is a sentence with a pattern of verb forms that express events that are taking place in the present. Formula. In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1, S atau ES, plus complement for positive sentence with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb or to be plus complement. Example of the simple present tense, positive. I am an international school student. Interrogative. She is not an international school. Interrogative, is she an international school student? Okay, this topic from me, I give back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Irfandon. Next, apa ngomongnya? Lanjut aja lah. Meeting 5 and 6, present continuous tense. At meetings 5 and 6, we can learn 1. Describe the language components of present continuous tense. 2. Understand the use of present continuous tense. 3. Use present continuous tense in writing. 4. Telling someone's activities and progress. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a tense form that you can use to expand something or express an ongoing action during a certain time in the present or present. Formula, sentence pattern, affirmative, formula, subject plus to be, I'm, is, are, plus prep, or ing, plus blah, 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 blah. Next, negative, subject plus to be, is, are, plus not, plus prep, ing, and interrogative to be, is, are, plus subject, plus prep, ing. Example of present continuous tense. I am writing this letter to express my longing to my boyfriend. She is reading a romance novel right now. Meeting 7 and 8. Introduction, simple past tense. At meeting 7 and 8, we can learn 1. Understand the language component of simple past tense or verbal and nominal sentence. 2. Expand the difference between regular and irregular verbs. 3. Use prep to in telling past activities. 4. Differentiate between the use of the simple past and the present perfect based on the time of occurrence. 5. Why personal or others interesting experience using simple past tense. 6. Tell personal or others experience using simple past tense. Simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? The simple past tense is a sentence that is used to tell about an event that happened in the past infinite or and in the past as well. So, the past tense is used when you are telling a story in the present about past activities. Definition in English, simple past tense verbs also called simple past or preterite show action that occurred and was complete at a particular time in the past. Formula. What is the simple past tense formula? In general, the formula for simple past tense is subject plus verb to plus object plus complement. But in fact, it's not the simple. You see, there are two form or sentence that's automatically cause different in formulas. Yep. There's our verbal sentence and nominal sentence, which we will discuss in the next section. Example for simple past tense. I was a teacher. Aku adalah seorang guru. We were a doctor. Kami adalah seorang dokter. I was not a teacher. Saya bukan seorang guru. We were not a doctor. Kami bukan seorang dokter. Was a teacher. Apakah saya adalah seorang guru? Were we a doctor? Apakah kami adalah seorang guru? Thank you very much. I am Natasha Aprilia as moderator and Irvando as member. So thank you for attention. Sorry my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.